Hi, everybody. Welcome to my first attempt at an online book talk. Now that school is closed for a long period of time, I thought that it might be helpful to recommend some books through online book talks. And the first book I'm going to book talk is Merci Suarez Changes Gears by Meg Medina. This book was the winner of the 2019 Newbery Medal, and it tells the story of sixth grader Mercy, who lives in Miami with her Cuban American family. She is very close with her extended family as well as very close by to her grandparents, and she babysits for her twin baby cousins. She and her super smart older brother attend private school as scholarship students. And while her friends have these huge houses and fancy boats, she and her brother have to do extra community service around the school to help make up for their free tuition. It is hard to relate to many of her classmates, and one in particular, Edna Santos, likes to make life miserable for Mercy. Along with the pressures of fitting in and keeping up at school, Mercy is starting to notice that her beloved grandfather is acting strangely. He's forgetting things, he's falling, he's getting angry easily. He's just not himself. And Mercy struggles with whether or not she should tell her family what she's witnessing because she feels like she'd be snitching on her grandfather. Will not telling her family what she's witnessing really help what's going on? Will Edna Santos ever leave Mercy alone? If you like realistic fiction about family, school, friends, and frenemies, then Merci Suarez Changes Gears might be a great book for you to read. And the great news is we have multiple copies of the ebook through one of our ebook and audiobook collections, our Mackin collection. If you go to tinyurl.com/lcjsmsreads, you'll see that there is a box with information about Mackin as well as the link that will take you into the collection. And if you have any trouble accessing it, please feel free to email me. Take care, everybody.